Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Here at Dealmax Motors we are restoring a 93 Mercedes-Benz 300 CE. We are well into the restoration. As you see, most of the trim and panels have been removed. The car had a lot of worn paint, some dings on the doors, quarter panels. We have the hood removed. We're cleaning it up right now. I'll show you in a second. The only thing that was really nice on this car was the fender. It hasn't got a single dent or scratch. Well, we'll still be painting that, of course. We'll be painting the whole car. So this has been a few days already. We've been working on this, taking it all apart, cleaning everything. Let me just show you the interior. This is black on black. It's got 147,000 miles. It's gonna be a pretty one. Got the back end all taken apart. Car does have an amplifier, somebody added. Let's see. It's got original speakers. Wonder what that amp is for. Got original paint, which is, fading. That edge here is very thin and it was starting to rust. So we decided to just do the whole car basically. The roof was very nice, but it's original and just, old. So sand it down and get her painted also. We'll remove the seal, paint the sunroof. It's got original glass, which is a big plus. That means that none of this was scratched ever with the blades, and it won't be rusting in the future. We'll be going over all the seals, making sure everything is good, nothing's cracking. We'll be power washing everything soon. Once we get the car into primer everywhere. So basically we're looking for just spots where there would be any rust, and this being a Georgia car, you can see that everything is nice and pretty. Usually these are all rusted. So that's why this is a candidate for a restoration. Just a beautiful example that we'll be restoring here. We'll keep it in the fleet for a while. The prices of these are really appreciating, so it's a nice one to have. Let me show you the hood. Mark is already here doing his thing on the hood. There was just, the usual chips that we're taking care of. The hood is original. That's the original primer. And then you got your bare metal. So we're getting down to the chips. There's no dents, there's no bando on here, and that's the way we like it. That's the way we're gonna keep it. We're just gonna sand her down, prime it, We washed the underneath. I'm gonna have to get a new pad. Usually all these spots here are rusted, and this hood is mint, just like the rest of the car. Just have to give it a new shot of paint, and I'll keep you guys updated on the progress. Thank you for stopping in. Like and subscribe.